Hello guys, this is Positive Concepts. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to blur backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump into the tutorial. So right now this is your working area and this is the picture we are going to work on. Good. So right now what we have to do now is to duplicate the layer here by pressing on Ctrl J simultaneously. You press Ctrl J on the keyboard simultaneously. Yes, so this is the duplicate layer over here. So right now what you're going to do is you select the main one, that is the background, then you come to select, then you click on subjects. Let's wait and see what will happen to the picture. The picture has been selected. So right now what we are going to do is we will come here to edit and then select content aware fill. We are waiting for the result. This is the result for content aware fill. So here you see the picture is no more in the background. We've separated the picture with the background. So this is what we can make it blur. We can't blur it when the picture is on it. That is, the picture will also be blurred if you don't do this, or if you don't separate the picture from the background. So right after here we have to come to output tool. This output tool, you make sure you select duplicate layer. After selecting on duplicate layer, you come to apply and then OK. So right now we have our picture separate from the background. Here we are not going to focus on this area, but we are rather focusing on the edges here. Good. Now you have to hit on the picture. This is the picture. You hit on the picture and then you come and select add layer mask. So you hit the add layer mask. This will happen. So right now you've separated the picture from the background. Then you can now hide the picture. Good. So we're going to work on the background over here. We're going to make it blur before we hide the picture. So let's select the background and then come to filter, then select blur gallery, then we come to tilt shift. Good. This is the working area for the blur window. This is the working area for blur. Good. So right now we are shifting this thing below. We want to come here where we can only see the floor as on blur. Good. I think it's okay for now. We're going to increase the blur by shifting this to the right side to increase the number. See, right now it is changing. We're increasing the number. The higher the number, the higher the blur. So good. I think right now it's okay. Good. So after, okay, we're making it 100. Let's maintain the 100. Good. So after getting this result, then you click on OK. Good. So right now this is our background. So right from here we are going to unhide our picture. So okay, very nice. So let's zoom it and see. We have little touches to do. There is a main picture here. So we're going to use the eraser tool. Yes, we're going to erase the unwanted parts here. Use the eraser tool. We're going to remove the unwanted part. So forget if I saw I think it's cool for now. Good. You see how beautiful it is. It is very simple, easier and faster. I want you to try it and let's see. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share and click on the notification area. You click on the like button and then you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.